In this course, we will be using the following coordinate system when dealing with beam problems. It will be a right-handed coordinate system with y defined as positive downwards. Z will be positive in the length direction of the beam, and because of our right-handed coordinate system, that results in x being positive coming in and out of the screen. This may be slightly different than the coordinate system you've used in the past in statics. However, it will be the one that we will use consistently in this class for beam bending. If we then look at what it means for deformations, y is positive downwards, so then our deformation will be positive downwards as well, and a positive slope will be a slope that increases the rate of the deformation in a downwards direction. And if we look at the right-hand face and look at the positive loading, the outward normal is in the positive z direction, so we get a positive shear force acting in the positive y, because you have a positive outward normal, positive resultant force, and a moment will be counterclockwise, positive outward normal, positive counterclockwise moment. On the left face, it's actually the opposite. Our outward normal is in the negative direction, therefore a positive shear force has to be in the negative direction, and a positive moment has to be in the negative x direction. Okay? Because a negative times a negative gives you your positive.